Hello everyone. Today is a very big day for all the aspirant who just appear for JEE Main 2024 क्योंकि रिजल्ट आ गया है. So like every year we used to interview, we used to ask with the toppers what is their overall planning, what is their strategy, क्या strategy है, ऐसा क्या different है जो बच्चे use करते हैं और हम उनसे समझ सकते हैं, हम उनसे सीख सकते हैं. And what are the difficulties they face and how they overcome that difficulty. So join me to welcome Reddy Anil, All India Rank 9 in JEE Main 2024. Hello Anil.
Hello sir.
So how are you feeling? Because I think today morning you got the news that you are All India Rank 9.
Yes.
And what is your marks in physics, chemistry and maths?
It's called cent.
Cent. That means 300 out of 300.
Yes.
And in your first session, what is your marks?
I scored 261 in my first session.
And after getting 261 in the first session, what is your thought process that I have done some mistakes and how that overcome? I will ask a lot of questions on that, how you have motivated yourself and what you have did to score full marks in out of 261 to 300 journey, right?
Yes.
So tell me something about what is your favorite subject in physics, chemistry and maths?
Maths.
Maths.
Yes.
And which subject you face difficulty?
Chemistry.
Chemistry. I am a chemistry teacher. So you are facing chemistry difficulty. And which part of the chemistry? Physical, organic or inorganic?
Organic.
Organic chemistry.
Yes.
So what kind of difficulty you face? Reaction mechanisms or remembering the reagents? What kind of problem?
Remembering the exceptions on some reactions.
Exception.
Yes.
But more exceptions are there in the inorganic chemistry. So
But-
inorganic you are comfortable?
Yes.
So my first question is, let's say in organic chemistry when you face the problem and during that problem, how you overcome with these reaction mechanism? What exactly is your strategy? And the second part is how you revise the entire organic chemistry, because maximum student face problem in the revision part. You know,
Yes.
they understand. Let's say you are going to learn the hydrocarbon. You understand the hydrocarbon completely, but just before the exam, you are unable to recall or you are unable to revise the entire syllabus. So how you revise the entire syllabus?
I've written short notes on entire organic chemistry which I revise during every examination so that I memorize it very well. And I practice the reaction mechanisms which I am weak in and I feel like I may forget it.
And how you prepare the short notes? You have written all the reaction with mechanism or only reaction?
Only reactions and some mechanisms which I am doubtful about.
Okay. So you have understood those mechanism, or what you have done? You understand that mechanism and apply to the questions, or you have memorized the mechanism?
I understand the mechanism and apply to the questions.
That's great. And what is your overall strategy for the inorganic chemistry?
Yeah.
You can see there.
For inorganic chemistry, I just read the notes given by our faculty.
And you have completed the NCRT?
Yes, that's first priority.
That's first priority.
Yeah.
And during the JEE main exam, there is 3 hours duration. And how you pick the questions means subject wise. For example, you are good in maths, so you start picking the maths, or what is your strategy during the exam?
I start from chemistry and then physics and finally to maths.
That means जो difficult part है, suppose मुझे chemistry से डर लगता है, तो he picked first chemistry. I don't know how this strategies work for him, but generally हम ये कहते हैं कि यार ये difficult है तो इससे थोड़ा बच के रहते हैं, बाद में कर लेंगे ताकि confidence lose ना हो. But ये first time में कि रेड्डी अनिल ने chemistry में उसको problem है, first he picked chemistry, right? So while solving the chemistry, if when you see the questions, generally you can able to solve that particular question, you get more confident. Is that the right strategy of you, which work well in JEE Main 2?
Yes.
Yes. And you are able to solve all the questions of chemistry. Of course, you score full marks. That means you are able to solve. But are you confident that all the question I know?
Yes, I was confident back in the exam.
Great. And what is your timetable during the overall preparation? How you spend time? How you manage studies and school or colleges exams?
Well, daily our college starts at 7 o'clock.
Okay.
And there's a study hour from till 8 a.m. And then there's breakfast. And generally, the speed tests are conducted in college to improve our speed during the final examination.
How you improve your speed?
To write papers within limited time.
Okay. How many mock tests you appear before JEE Main?
Many.
Many. Means if let's talk about the last 15 days. In last 15 days, you have given the mock test every day or alternate every day?
Every day.
Okay, so this is an important thing, and one more important thing for all the aspirant. Let's understand after the mock test what is the right strategy. Generally होता क्या है कि आप टेस्ट देते हो, आपके 300 में मान लेते हैं 220 आए. I have seen one Excel sheet prepared by the Sri Chaitanya team, and they have very frequently analyzed each and every questions. For example, there are 25 questions in chemistry, and you have solved 25 questions. There are 2 to 3 questions you have made mistake. They identify that mistake. They try to get the error in which chapter, in chapter wise. So I want to understand from you that how you have built the error minimization technique. How you do that to reduce your errors, because that is a very important thing. What you do for your errors?
Just after the examination, when I correct my paper, I'm gonna know where I did go wrong. So if it for chemistry, I would revise the topic immediately where the mistake has been done. And if it
What kind of mistake you generally do in your mock test? Means conceptual mistake, or there is some error while solving the questions, and what is your basic idea to pick that particular part?
in chemistry, it would be maximum conceptual mistake.
Conceptual mistake. So you read the theory which is explained in your during the class.
Yes.
Read the notes.
Yes. And,
Okay. And in maths,
and in maths, it will be silly mistake. Calculation ones.
so you do start doing the practice of
Yes.
maths, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how you are preparing for your JEE Advance?
How means just was a plan or what?
Plan.
Currently, I'm solving the previous JEE advanced papers. I'm writing them as examinations to improve my speed and accuracy.
Through your revision of your notes.
I mean, I write the examination. If still I'm lacking in some concept, I revise my notes.
Okay.
And worksheets are provided by our faculty. I do take them as tests, not like assignments.
And how many questions generally you solve? All the questions which is provided by the teachers, because I have seen the Sri Chaitanya booklet is a very exhaustive booklet. It consists of lot many objective questions. Do you solve all those questions?
No, sir, we can't complete them.
You can't complete them. So this is a very important thing. Generally बच्चों को ऐसा लगता है कि हमने वो एक्सरसाइज पूरी सॉल्व नहीं की. तो आप ये देख सकते हो, अगर मैं ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 की बात करता हूँ, एंड रेड्डी अनिल इज ऑल इंडिया रैंक 9, एंड बोथ हैव स्कोर 300 out of 300. The only difference is the date of birth, I guess, right?
Yes.
So what is year of date of birth is your
6.
2006. So I guess ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 is 2005. तो एक साल की वजह से शायद इसकी रैंक 8 कम हो गई, नहीं तो ये भी ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 होता है स्कोर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर हम बात करें तो, राइट? सो लेट्स से देयर इज वन चैप्टर यू हैव पिक्ड एंड यू स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग द श्री चैतन्य बुकलेट एंड मॉड्यूल एंड द वर्कशीट. There are, let's say, 100 questions and you are able to solve 60 or 70. The less number of questions is only because of the time management or what?
Yes, it's with time management.
Time management. So how you motivate yourself to manage those time? Because the study hours are very high. That means generally students face problem during the preparation. They face fatigue also, demotivated. Such things happen with you also?
Not so frequently. I mean, I don't take them so serious.
Don't take them serious. There are many tests in Sri Chaitanya also where your
Yes.
score is less. In that case, how you handle that? Because generally students face problem in that my score is 300 out of 250 or 240. They get pressurized, they get demotivated. So these things happen with you?
They don't occur often, but if they occur, I just rectify them and try to minimize them in next examination.
That's great. So last year, I guess in this floor, I have many questions with Venkat, who is all India rank 1, as well as Chitulas, who is all India rank 1 in the JEE Advance. And the basic questions which generally I asked how to handle the demotivation which generally we face as a student during our preparation. And many students have their own unique idea to handle this pressure, because while preparing the 2 year, there is lot many things in your mind. There is lot many tests you have to face. Apart from the test, there are some time when you solve the question, you are unable to solve that particular question. So it is very important to understand how toppers deal with these things. So I want to decode all these things. धीरे धीरे पूछते हैं थोड़ा कम बोल रहा है, शायद कैमरे को देख के डर भी रहा है, तो एक एक करके क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं और समझते हैं कि आगे इसने ऐसे से क्या किया. सो यू प्ले क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, एनी गेम?
I used to play badminton.
Badminton,
Yeah.
every day?
Back then it was every day. But
Every day. So how you manage playing with your study and with JEE preparation?
I mean, I used to play back in my schooling. When I came to college, there was no games.
No games.
Yeah.
And after college, what is your study hours?
After college, I mean, we have study hours till night 8.
Okay, till night to 8.
Yes.
Great. And for maths, for maths, physics and chemistry, you only dependent on Sri Chaitanya booklet, or you pick some other resource or books?
For maths, I'm dependent only on Sri Chaitanya module. But for physics, for concept parts, I read some books.
Okay, for conceptual part.
Yes.
Have you seen the YouTube videos to understand the concept anyway?
No.
No?
No.
Never?
Never.
So this is surprising for me because I keep on asking all the toppers that have you seen the YouTube video? No one have ever seen the YouTube video. I don't know. Maybe it might possible. It is difficult to manage the time and to watch the video. So all the concept you have learned that is specifically from classroom and through your textbook, right?
Yes.
That's great. Thank you very much. और मैं आप इससे और पूछूंगा और थोड़ी देर के बाद बाकी टॉपर से भी मिलते हैं. Thank you.